Do the wipers of your BE6 also leave these streaks and cause this annoying sound whenever you use them? Well, today we're going to try and see if we can restore these wipers. The car is still pretty new, so the wipers should not be doing this. The easy alternative would be to obviously change them for better wipers, but today we'll see if we can make these work any better. Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos, and today we're going to see how we can make the wipers of the BE6 a little bit better. So first what I want you to do is, right now you can see that the car is turned on and the wipers are in auto. What I want you to do is turn off the car and pull the stalk down once so that the wipers come in the maintenance mode. Now we move on to the next step. So first you obviously lift the wipers, and what all you're going to need is two microfibers and water to wash the windshield, and also a glass cleaner. If you do not have this, you can also use dish soap, but a glass cleaner is what I'm using. This is a normal glass cleaner. You can also use the 3M glass cleaner, which is specifically for vehicles. So first you clean the windshield. Since these are all just mostly watermarks from the rain, I'm using just water. You can also use soap. And then you also need to clean this rubber of the wipers. So first let's clean the windshield. As you can see, I've now cleaned the windshield with water. Now you also need to clean the rubber of this wiper. You can see this part. So this you need to spray water here. So spray water on this rubber very nicely. And then rub it with your microfiber. So you can see the dirt. After wiping these for about 10 to 15 times, you can see now that when I wipe it, the cloth actually comes out cleaner than it was. You can see. So this is the amount of dirt and grime which is stuck in the rubber of your wiper. I actually did this once before, but I didn't do it with this much dedication. So just keep doing this until the cloth comes out clean. Obviously it won't come out absolutely spotless, but till it's way cleaner than it was in the beginning. You have to remove the dirt completely from the rubber like this. Just hold it and wipe it. You can see this dirt. This is what we're trying to remove. Do this for both the wipers. Now that I've cleaned the wipers as well as the windshield with water, the next step is to get a dry microfiber and this glass cleaner. Spray it all over your glass. This is an extra step. I didn't do this last time. This is just to remove any residue of the oily kind of stuff that we get from our roads, any extra amount of dirt. So spray this generously and then wipe it with your microfiber. Very nicely, and this will also dry up pretty quickly, so leaving obviously no marks behind or anything. So do this. After you've done that, I recommend you that just use a little bit of glass cleaner here. I mean, you probably should do this before wiping the windscreen because this is going to fall there only. So just a little bit, not too much. Alternatively, you can also just use the same cloth, spray some glass cleaner on it instead of on this, but wipe this also with the glass cleaner. That's it. Now everything looks absolutely spotless. Now just put these wipers down. You can see that after using the glass cleaner, the windshield is absolutely spotless. like with water, and after washing sometimes there are some streaks of water left, but using the glass cleaner it looks absolutely clear. Now is the moment of truth. You start the car and we'll see how this goes. Wipers are down now. Everything's clean now. I don't want to do this because this will again leave those watermarks at least on the edges. This screen looks so clean right now, but just to test if it worked, I'll use the wipers, and you can see that it's not leaving any streaks. At least it's still squeaking a little bit, so it's at least not leaving those streaks in between. You can see, I'll try to show it. It's still pretty clean. So if you just keep the blades of your wiper absolutely spotless, then the wipers will work fine. But honestly, I've never had to do this much of effort in any car before. I haven't seen anybody doing it for their car. This you'll have to do whenever you wash the car. If it's twice a week, if it's thrice a week, if it's every day, then you're going to need to put less effort because the wipers will be less dirty. But this is something that you'll have to do regularly to keep your wipers working as they should. Honestly, the wipers quality should have been better. I mean, they don't squeak this much even in the Alto, and for a car that costs 10 times the price almost, the wipers quality should have been better. It's probably an issue of the rubber of the wipers that are pretty stiff. So you can get Bosch wipers. I'll see if I can find any products for the BE6, any wipers for the BE6 that are of good quality. I'll link them down in the description if I find anything. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Please like this video if it helped. I'll also link down the glass cleaner, the one that I used, and also the one specifically made for cars, which is the 3M glass cleaner. There is also the motor octane products that are getting pretty famous these days, but I haven't used them and I cannot pass my comment on something I haven't used. 3M products I have used. I have used the interior cleaner, I've used the exterior car wash soap thing, so I can recommend their products and they're pretty good. Comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll see you in the next video. The suspension video, as I told you, it's coming really soon. I'm just driving the car to get a better feel of it, and I'll also take this to the usual route to test it. So subscribe to Automobile Infos. That video is coming soon. Thank you so much for the support. Drive safe and have a happy journey. I'll see you in the next one.